So you feel that rumble strip shudder when the truck is cold, usually under 1500 RPM? Your transmission isn't failing. The problem is the fluid inside it. The factory automatic transmission fluid in a lot of GM 8L90 and Toyota Aisin transmissions is hygroscopic. That just means it pulls moisture right out of the air. Over time, that water contaminates the fluid, causing the friction material on your torque converter clutch plates to swell up and glaze over. This creates a stick-slip vibration you feel when the clutch tries to lock up smoothly under light throttle. You'll notice it most between 25 and 60 miles per hour. It feels like a bad part, but it's really just a chemical problem with the fluid. Now, before you spend money on a full service, there's a simple test you can do. Get 1 tube of a friction modifier like Lubigard's Instant Shudder Fix and add it to your transmission. Drive the truck for about 15 to 20 minutes. If that shudder goes away, you've confirmed the problem is the fluid's friction properties, not a mechanical failure. The permanent fix is a complete fluid exchange. For the GM transmissions, Service Bulletin 18NA355 specifies using Mobil 1 LV ATF HP. Make sure it's the one with the blue label. A simple drain and fill won't work because it leaves old, contaminated fluid. In the torque converter, you need a full flush to get it all out. Toyotas with their WS fluid can have the exact same issue, fixed the same way. If you ignore it, that constant shudder will cause the clutch material to wear unevenly. That turns a simple fluid problem into a real hardware problem. So start with the additive test. It's a cheap way to know for sure what you're dealing with.